All of you keep reading. Now today's class, we are going to see the next one. That is what scalar product of vectors, or we can say dot product of vectors. Scalar product of vectors, or we can say, what do we used to call everybody? We used to call it as dot product of vectors. Is it okay, guys? All of you?
Yes,
No.
sir.
So all of you remember, this is the most important one for IIT as well as NEET now. So actually we are having two products. That is what one is cross product and another one is dot product. So first we'll study the dot product and then after we'll discuss about the cross product. So first we are having a three different kind of products. That is what, if I'll make scalar into vector, so that is the first type of like what we can say, it's a product of vectors. I'm multiplying scalar and as well as vector. Second one, if I multiply a vector into vector, be very careful, I will get a scalar. So this is only we used to call as, what we used to call everybody? We used to known as dot product. Okay. So next one is, we are going to study vector into vector, but we are going to get again what? All of you, we are going to get vector only. So this is only we called as cross product. So most probably that we will discuss in our tomorrow's class. So once again, I'm saying scalar into vector, that's fine, let it be. Now vector into vector, we are going to get what we are going to get, all of you? Vector into vector gives you what? Scalar. Understand, Amma? Yes, please. So that is what we used to call as, what product we used to call? All of you?
Dot product.
And vector into vector again will gives you vector. So which is basically we used to call as what? Okay, cross product. So let us discuss now. Actually, we all know our today's concept is the scalar product of vectors. Means what product it is? Scalar product also we can call as, everybody? Dot product. Okay. So let me take now on vector. So vector A is equals to, so last class we studied the directions x I cap, j cap and k cap. Am I clear? So that is,
yes, sir.
So vector A is equals to 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. Now, so this is what vector. So if you notice it, this is the vector. Now, if I multiply, for example, same this vector with the 3, both the sides you multiply with the 3, can you tell me what is that, everybody? So this is 3a vector. 3a vector is equals to, what will come, all of you? 6i cap minus plus bond. 3j cap plus
j cap.
Yes, please. 3k cap. Yes or no? Is respond. No. So 3 is actually is a magnitude. Only magnitude. What we used to call actually it is. It is actually a scalar. Yes or no? And this is what actually, all of you. Actually what it is a vector. Do you understand, all of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Please respond. That is what. So let me consider, this is the vector A and this 3a vector I will consider as a B. Now, you tell me what it will come, all of you. Or else you can consider some other two vectors. So let me take now, what is this dot product or scalar vector? Sorry, scalar product you can say. So let me take the vector A is given as, if you notice it, 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. And vector B is given as 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap. Is it okay, guys? Totally how many vectors I have given? All of you?
2 vectors.
I have given. 2 vectors I have given. Now, dot product in the sense of, all of you remember, we have to represent with the dot. So A and B we are going to multiply. We are going to represent what, Rudreshwa? We are going to get the, we are going to see the dot. If this dot is there, that is what we are going to make it, it's a dot product, or we can say scalar product. So if you multiply vector into vector, we are going to get a scalar or vector, all of you? Yes, please.
Scalar.
Everybody, scalar. So let me take that is what the scalar. So I am representing with the C. Now you tell me, why I am not representing arrow above? Because it is a what? No arrow. Understanding? No arrow is mentioned because it is a scalar or vector. Everybody, it is the scalar. So means in the sense of scalar means what? It's just a number. Like C is like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 like that. Is it okay, everybody? Mr. Monish, Mr. Dreswar, clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is what. So this is only we can say. So this C is actually what we used to say. It is a vector quantity or scalar quantity. It is called as, all of you, scalar quantity, and that is this product only we used to called as. What product we used to called as? All of you, scalar product. Clear? So this scalar product only also we can called as what? All of you, we used to known as dot product. Understand, Amma? So if, for example, if it is a cross product, like this will represent, of course, next class we'll discuss that. So A into B, which is equals to C bar. So C arrow, that is also what actually is. No, it's what actually, it is a scalar or vector, all of you. Vector. So this is what we used to called as, what product we used to called as? We used to called as vector product. And this is called as, what product? Vector product also we can called as, all of you?
Cross.
Cross product. That is what you have to remember. Yeah. So we know that if it is a dot product, we have to represent A vector and B vector with a dot. And if it is a cross product, you have to represent A vector and B vector with what? Everybody? Cross. That is what multiplication. Clear? So of course, in our today's class, we are going to discuss only what? Everybody? Scalar. Yes or no? So scalar, the scalar product, or we can say dot product, means two vectors if you are multiplying. So let me put everybody, all of you keep heading. So scalar product. So scalar product also we can call as what? All of you? We used to call as? Yes, please. Dot product.
Dot.
Right or not? So that is what you have to remember. Now, so if I take two vectors, all of you remember, if it is undergoes the cross product, so we are going to get a vector or a scalar. Again, everybody, we are going to get a, yes, please. We are going to get a what? Scalar. So that is only we used to call as what? Scalar product or a vector product? Everybody? We used to call as? Yes, please. It is called as what?
Scalar product.
Let us see, for example. Sir, can you tell me any example? Yes. So we all know, you might be experienced already and you might be studied in our class 9. Can anybody tell me work or work done formula? Mr. Rudreshwar? Work or work done formula? Laksha? Work or work done? Anybody? Is equals to? Yes, please. Respond. Anyone remember? So which is equals to force into displacement. Do you remember, everybody? Work done W is equals to F into S. S means not distance. It is what? S means what, everybody? All of you. Force into displacement. But if you notice it here, I kept a cross. Is it correct, everybody? We have to kept a cross or dot? Yes, please. We have to put the dot. So why means, observe. So force, you tell me, force is a vector quantity or scalar quantity? We all know. Force is a what? Vector. And displacement is also what? Speak loudly. Displacement is also what? Everybody. Also vector. But work. So if I ask you, for example, what is the work done by you? You say 10 joules, 20 joules, 30 joules. Are you mentioning? I have done 10 joules towards to the north. I have done 10 joules towards to the south. I have done 10 joules towards to the east, like that. Please respond. Everybody? Yes, please. No. Is it right or wrong? All of you? Understanding? So work is a what? Scalar product or dot scalar or vector? Everybody. It is the
Scalar.
Clear? So that is what. So you might be studied already even. The work will come under scalar product or dot product, sorry, scalar quantity or vector quantity. Everybody. It is a scalar quantity. So that is only called as dot product. Have you understand? So if I multiply two vectors, then we are getting what? Everybody? We are getting the scalar. So that is only called as, we used to called as scalar product or dot product. Okay. So now, so let us discuss, for example, I have given you two vectors. So this is vector A and this is another vector B. So let me take the theta between them, the angle between them is theta. So all of you remember this? So of course, I am considering this is beta and this is theta. Now this is the interior angle and what is the exterior angle? Everybody, definitely you tell me what is that exterior angle will become how much?
Minus theta.
360 minus
360 minus
Yes, no?
theta.
Yes, sir? Yes. So that is what. So all of you remember, always we have to consider smaller angle or larger angle. Everybody. We have to consider always for small angle only. That is what you have to remember. So what is the product actually? We all know, we already studied dot product formula. Even last previous classes we studied. So product of two vectors, tell me, what is the formula? Yes, please. Mod A into mod B into what? All of you. Cos theta. Right or wrong?
Theta.
All of you remember? Yes, please. Clear? So that is what you have to remember it. Now, so let me take for example, I have given you force F is equals to 10 newtons. All of you observe, force F is equals to how much I have given? Everybody? 10 newtons. And displacement is equals to 5 meters. So let me take, this is the force I am exerting in this direction. And the displacement of the body is 60 degrees inclination from the force. How much is the force, everybody? 60 degrees. Respond. 60 degrees inclination from the force. So now we want to find the what is the work done. So we all know work done formula is what? Everybody. Work done is equals to S please.
Force into
F
displacement.
into S, but angle is also there for those. If it is angle, theta force is exerting at an angle. Then what is into cos theta. Understand? So that is what. So which is equals to only dot product. So A into A dot B. So which is equals to what will come? Force is 10, displacement is 5, and cos theta. Cos theta is how much? All of you. Respond. That is what. So cos 60, how much, Amma? Cos 60 value 1 by 2. You should tell. I should not say. So work is equals to how many joules, Ra? All of you. How many joules?
25
joules. This is not the y direction. This is joules. J means what? Joules. That is the SI unit of what? SI unit of energy or work done also. Understand, Dreswa? Work done or energy both are same. Clear? Everybody? Yes?
Yes.
That is what. So all of you remember that. Now, so always you remember in scalar product, this is very, very important because in cos product, it is not true always. So A dot B, that is tomorrow's class we'll discuss. A dot B or A cross B, sorry, this is dot product. A dot B is always equals to B dot A. Okay. So this is always true for what product? Dot product or cross product? All of you. Dot product. Okay. So A dot B, vector A into vector B is always equals to vector B into vector A. That is what you have to remember. Is it okay, everybody? Clear? Yes, please. Sir. So that is what you have to remember. Okay, yes, clear? Sir. So let me take now two vectors. How it is, sir? Let me verify it. Is it true or not? Shall we verify it now, everybody? Yes. So let me take now two vectors. I am taking, this is vector B and this is vector A. All of you observe very carefully. The angle between them is theta. So small angle or bigger angle this is? Small angle or bigger angle? Small angle. So we have to take always what? Small angle or bigger angle? Let me take it. Okay. So outer angle is, observe very carefully. If inner angle is theta means outer angle will become how much, Ra? All of you respond.
360 minus theta.
362A. Okay. First, A to B, I will find it. So this is the A to B. All of you remember A to B, I am finding it. So what is the product of dot product of A to B? So A dot B is equals to, what will respond? Mod A into mod B cos theta. Right or wrong? Yes, please. All of you understood? Mod A into cos theta. Now, B to A means like this. Is it right or wrong? Clear? All of you respond. So B dot A, which is equals to what will come? Everybody, you should, if you say I will mod B mod A. Now cos, what will come? Cos theta, 360 minus theta. B to A. Everybody. Yes, 360 minus theta. Clear? Now, in mathematics, cos 360 minus theta.
Minus cos theta.
Cos 360 minus theta, always plus cos theta. Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is what you have to
Yes, sir.
remember. So B dot A, which is equals to what will come? Mod B mod A. Here what will come? Cos theta. Is
Cos-
it right or wrong? So which is equals to, I will say, of course, nothing is there. So B dot A is equals to mod A mod B cos theta. Is it right or wrong? All of you. So that I can see that. I can prove that mod A in cross product, sorry, dot product, A dot B, which is always equals to what? Everybody. All of you. B dot A. Okay, that is what you have to prove it. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Clear, guys? So that is why.
Sir.
So this property only we used to say basically commutative property. Okay, what property we used to say? Everyone, we used to call it as commutative property. So for example, two vectors are there. This is vector A and this is vector B. So now all of you observe very carefully. So the angle between them, theta is equals to, let me take 120 degrees. Then what is the outer angle, everybody? If this is 120 means total outer angle is how much?
240.
240 degrees. Then always to find A cross B or B cross A, we have to take what angle? Small angle or large angle? Everybody.
120.
We have to take the small angle. Yes or no, guys? Because large angle we will do also. Cos 360 minus theta. What will come? Always cos theta. Clear? Yes, please. Understood? So this property only we used to call as what property we used to call? Everybody?
Commutative property.
Yes, commutative property. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Understood or not?
Yes.
That is all. Okay.
Yes,
So now let me take for example. Now, if I say a vector A is perpendicular to vector B, means in the sense of what is the angle between them? Theta is equals to how much? Everybody?
90.
Theta is equals to 90 degrees. Is it okay, guys? Everybody? Mahalakshmi, Isali, Aswita, understood?
Yes, sir.
A, this is symbol for perpendicular. Understanding? So this is a symbol for perpendicular. Okay. So if I say perpendicular means theta is equals to how much? Everybody? Yes, please.
90 degree.
90.
You can see what is the cross product. If I take any two vectors, if their angle is 90 degrees, all of you observe. So let me take this is vector A and what is this, everybody? Vector B. So let me find what is the cross product of two vectors. What will come? Respond, everybody. Mod A into
Mod A into mod B
mod A
into
into
cos
mod B cos theta. So cos theta is equals to how much, ra? Solunga tambi.
cos
Cos
90.
90. So we all know
Cos
cos 90 is
90.
equals to how much?
0.
0. So if any two products, if any two vectors are in perpendicular to each other, always cross product of them is equals to how much? Everybody?
0.
0. So that is what you have to remember. And but vectors are 0 or not? Vector will never be 0. A is not equals to 0 and B is not, also not equals to what? Everybody?
0.
0. But understanding A dot B always equals to what?
0.
Always equals to what? 0 when A is perpendicular to A is perpendicular to B. Very, very important one. Then by this time theta is equals to what? All of you?
90.
90.
You can ask. Clear, brothers? Murali? Mr. Monish, I understand? Yes? All of you. So this is very, very important. Okay. So we'll proceed next further. Rudreswar, Laksha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are okay. Then orthogonal unit vector. So we all know orthogonal. Orthogonal means what? I already taught you the meaning of ortho. Orthogonal. Orthogonal means what? Perpendicular. Is it right or wrong? All of you. So unit vector. What is the importance
sir.
of unit vector? We already knows. What is the importance of unit vector? Unit vector always gives you. Pradosh, unit vector will give you something. It will always gives you what?
Direction.
Yeah. So that is what. Now let us take, we all know three directions. If it is x-axis, what is the direction? Everybody. If it is x-axis, what is the representation? All of you. I
I
cap.
cap.
Yeah. And if it is y-axis, what is the representation? All of you.
J cap.
J cap.
J cap. Clear? Aswita, can you tell me what is the angle between I cap and J cap? What is the angle between I cap and J cap? All of you. Yes,
90
please.
degree.
90 degrees. And Z cap is perpendicular to XY or parallel to XY? Z cap.
Perpendicular.
To XY. Then I will just, because it is a two-dimensional, three-dimensional, I cannot draw. So this is what the K cap. Okay. Now K cap, you tell me. What is the angle between J cap and K cap also? Yes, please.
90 degree.
90 degrees. What is the angle between K cap and I cap also? Which is also equal
90 degree.
90 degree. Ellame clear? Understood? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So that is what. Now we are going to find the most, that is what, orthogonal unit vectors. Let us find it now. So what it is what? Now, all of you observe very carefully. Now, if I take, for example, let me find I cross I. So now tell me, what is the angle between I cross I? Everybody, both are parallel. I cross I, if I take it, for
0.
example. So what is the, oh yeah, find it first. Let me find it, Rudresh, don't say 0. What is the angle between them? 0, correct? So we all know product now. If I take A dot B, what is the formula? Respond, mod A into mod B. What is
Mod
that?
into mod
Cos
cos
theta.
theta.
Correct or not? So here mod I into I cap. What will happen? Mod I, understanding? Into next one what? Again, mod I
Mod I.
into
Mod I.
cos theta.
Mod I
So now,
cos
if it is
theta.
both are parallel, I into I, what is the angle between them? Everybody, what is the
0.
angle between them? Theta is equals to
0.
clear it? Akshay, okay, va? Now, we all know cap I, unit vector means, what is the value? Unit vector means, what is the value? 1. Correct? Mod 1 into mod 1 into cos theta is cos 0.
1.
So cos 0 value evlara?
Cos 0.
1.
Cos 0 value
90.
evla? 1.
1.
Understanding? 1. So that I cross I value is how much? I cross I
1.
value.
1.
How much, everybody? 1. Same way, if I make J
1.
cross J also how much will come? Everybody
1.
1.
respond, because I can find it how? Mod J into mod J cos theta. So here
Cos
also theta is equals to what? Everybody
0.
0. So which is equals to mod 1 into cos 0 is how much ra? 1. So 1 into
1.
1, which is equals to how much ma value? 1.
1.
Same
1.
way, k dot k, how much will come, brothers? K cap into k cap. Sorry, k dot into k
1.
dot, which is also equals to 1. That is what?
1.
Mod k into, what is the angle between k into k? Everybody, 1k with another
0.
k, 0. Do you
0.
understand, everybody? Clear? Others? So 1 into 1, which is equals to.
Yes.
Understand, Mahanya and Samaya? Prima. So from this I can say I dot
Yes,
I
sir.
equals to, sorry, I dot I equals to Z dot J equals to K dot K. So equals how much ra? All of
1.
you? 1. Purima, how to find it? Please respond. Everybody. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Now, same way. Let us find now. All of you observe I dot J cap. So how much it is? What will come? You should tell me. What? How to find
0.
it? Mod I cap, mod J cap, cos theta. So
Cos
what is
90.
that? What is the theta? Theta is equals to how much ra? 90
90 degree.
degrees. So if I do the cross product of two different things, that is what I cap, sorry, cross, not dot product. Be very
Dot
careful
product.
what product it is. It is
Dot.
the dot product. Sometimes I may mispronounce, don't be confused. I dot J, which is equals to what will come? 1 into cos 90.
0.
So cos 90 evlara? 0. So
0.
1 into 0, which is
0.
equals to how much? Everybody?
0.
0. So that is what. Same way. J dot K, J cap dot K cap, which is equals to also. Everybody. Yes, please. Respond, Ra.
0.
Is equals to also
0.
0. See, I, J, K. So I to J, J to K. Now what will come here? Now what will come?
K dot.
K dot I, understanding? I dot K, whatever it is you can take. So I can take I dot K, which is equals to also how much, Ra?
0.
Everybody. Respond, guys. 0. Clear? So that is what. So from that I can say I cap into, so I cap dot J cap, which is equals to J cap dot K cap, which is equals to next one what? I cap dot K cap, which is equals to also what? Always, which is equals to 0. Understood? Anything doubt? Anybody can ask. Understand, guys? Ellame? Purima? Now, I will give you, for example, I will give you, I don't know, it's not a unit vector. I have given you some A. So now, A dot A, can you tell me what is the answer? Everyone should tell me. A dot A is equals to what will come? Mod A into mod A cos theta. So theta is equals to how much? Theta is equals to 0.
0 degree.
Mod A into mod A into cos 0. So cos 0, how much the value?
1.
Yes, 1. Okay. So now A into A, of course, mod means always what? Mod means you have to take always what you have to take. Everybody.
Positive.
It is positive. So means it will come A into A, which is equals to how much is the answer?
S.
A square.
A square. Yeah, A square of this one. A square.
A.
Understanding? So
A
it must
square.
be always what? It must be always
Positive.
positive. Okay, so that is what you have to remember. Is it okay, guys? Clear? Understood? Meeting is going to end almost 4 minutes there. Write it. You understood or not? Let me know. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Ra? Once it is completed, let me know. Take your time. Mr. Sai Karthik Purima, till here, any doubt? Laksha, Asmita? Any doubt? Please kindly let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir, no.
Ma?
No.
Clear? Any doubt? Ask me. Okay. So we'll proceed now, everybody. So I'm giving one question. So let me see who will solve first. Yeah. Mr. Pradosh, I'm not all hearing your voice. What is happening? So vector A is 2i cap plus 3j cap. Vector B is 4i cap plus 5j cap. So find A dot B. Okay. So find it fast and tell me. Let me know who will say first. Make it quick, 2 minutes time. Meeting is going to end. I want to say you. Do it fast, everybody. Yes, please. Answer, please. Rudreswar. No, no. It's very simple, yeah. What is this? Yeah. So first A. Girls, I don't know what they are doing. 2i cap in plus 3j cap into dot correct actually. So 4i cap plus 5j cap. That's all. So normal mathematics only it is. So first 2 into 2. Sorry, 2 fours are how much ra? 2 fours are 8. Next, I into I dot I. How much? I dot I value. I dot I how much ra? Value just now 1. Next, 2 5s are 10. Next, I dot J value how much?
0.
0 plus.
Zero.
Next, same way. This one. 3 4s are 12. I dot I.
12 into
Sorry, this is J correct. Sorry, this is J. I forgot it. J dot I or I dot J. Both are same. What is the
12
answer?
into 0.
Yes, 0. Next plus 3 5s are 15. J dot J, how
15
much?
J cap. 1.
J dot J, 1. Ma, remember, I dot J, which is equals to 0, or J dot I also, which is equals to what? Everybody?
0.
0 only. That is what you have to remember. Dot product, same things always will be, same thing always will be 1, opposite one always will be 0. That is what. So what is the answer? A dot B is
23.
equals to, everybody, A dot B is equals to, this is 8 plus 15. What is the answer? All of you?
23.
20.
Okay, solve this fastly. Solve this, meeting is going to end. If you solve this for this, we no need to solve this much. Directly, I will say you shortcut formula. By this time, you might be form the shortcut formula. What it is, you can make it. Make it quick now. Don't waste your time. Make it quick, join fastly. I will try to finish the applications of this one and for 3-4 questions, and we'll wind up. Then we'll continue from here. Is it okay, Mr. Pradosh? Make it quick now. Shortcut formula. So how to solve the cross product? Sorry, dot product. So shortcut is very simple. So we all know